Have you ever experienced that when you are making or filming your video, you used to have those words which are considered as unnecessary words on your video? I used to do that also. In as much as I'm running out of ideas, so I keep on that's it. But as the days go on, I decided that I must eliminate these unnecessary words or unnecessary movements. So I started one time, I practiced myself again talking to the camera like this. And whenever I am having those fillers, yeah, I call that fillers words, which are not needed to your video. They are disturbing. So I again have to rewind and keep on practicing how I would do it, that there is no more those fillers that is so disturbing, not only to the creator but also to the audience. So finally, here are my realization, how I minimize, not totally that I already reduce entirely. No, I'm just getting to reduce those unnecessary behavior. First is whenever I run out of ideas, my lines, I don't know anymore what will be my next words, my next sentences. So I started to use this strategy, that is just stop, pause for a moment. It will make your brain work again and cuts the idea again that you are going to navigate to your audience, and also your viewers would be given the time to absorb those words that you are calibrating. So just stop for a moment. That would be the rather the way that you're going to use your unwanted words rather. Yeah, and it's much better with going to always that one on our video, which I'm also doing. It is somewhat decluttering your video, so it's better stop for a moment and try to grasp the words which you are not able to pronounce or to utter to your audience. Number two, I've learned that we must speak slowly, since when we are speaking so very fast, sometimes we really run out of ideas. We run of our lines of the next words. So it's just not also so very slow, but just on the average or the medium speed of talking to your audience. Number three is, of course, preparation is a must. Before you would be crafting your filming of your video, you must be fully prepared. What are those ideas that you are going to calibrate? 1, 2, and 3. And then just remember all those ideas, and you will be the one to explain word for word or by sentences. So these are my lesson learned, how to avoid those unnecessary words that we use to really calibrate when we are making our video. It's much better that we will try using this. If not totally eliminate, it would just reduce those words which would disturb or would rather irritate, or it will be annoying to the audience, and so with the creator. So I hope you have learned something of my discussion on how to avoid or reduce those fillers or unnecessary words while navigating or crafting our video. Please follow for more and share, save if you love this video and what part of my discussion you love most. Thank you for watching. Until my next vlog, mabuhay. See you.